Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English from them. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to improve your English speaking skills naturally and confidently. If you are a beginner, do not worry. This lesson is simple, easy to understand, and very useful for everyday English practice. Many people want to speak English fluently, but they do not know where to start. Some people are afraid of making mistakes, while others think they are too old to learn. But the truth is this: anyone can learn English with patience, practice, and consistency. The first thing you need to understand is that English is a skill. Just like driving, cooking, or playing football, the more you practice, the better you become. You cannot improve if you never practice speaking. So, from today, promise yourself that you will practice English every single day. One of the best ways to improve your English is by listening carefully. Listening helps you understand pronunciation, vocabulary, and sentence structure. You can listen to English songs, movies, podcasts, YouTube videos, or short conversations online. Even if you only understand a few words at first, continue listening. Slowly, your ears and brain will become familiar with the language. Another important tip is to repeat what you hear. When you watch a video or hear someone speak English, pause the video and repeat the sentence. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and accent. This technique is called shadowing, and it is very effective for improving fluency. Now let's talk about vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important because words are the building blocks of communication. Start with simple and common words that people use every day. Learn words related to greetings, food, family, school, transportation, emotions, and daily activities. For example, good morning. How are you? I am hungry. I need help. What time is it? Can you repeat that? Simple sentences like these are extremely useful in real-life conversations. A lot of students spend too much time studying grammar rules without speaking. Grammar is important, but communication is more important. Do not wait until your grammar becomes perfect before speaking English. Start speaking now, even with simple sentences. Here is an example. Wrong but understandable English is better than staying silent. If you say, "She go to school yesterday," people will still understand you. Later, with practice, you will learn the correct form. She went to school yesterday. This is why practice matters more than perfection. Another great way to learn English is by reading every day. Read short articles, simple stories, subtitles, social media posts, or English comments online. Reading helps you discover new words and understand how sentences are formed. You should also write in English every day. Keep a small notebook and write about your day. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast and went to work. In the evening, I watched a movie and studied English. Writing helps your brain organize sentences and remember vocabulary faster. Confidence is also very important when learning English. Many students understand English but are afraid to speak because they fear embarrassment. Remember this: every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Nobody starts perfect. Do not compare yourself to others. Focus on your own progress. Celebrate small improvements. If today you know 5 more words than yesterday, that is progress. You can also improve faster by surrounding yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Follow English-speaking creators on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Use English captions while watching videos. The more English you see, the faster your brain adapts. Let's talk about pronunciation for a moment. English pronunciation can sometimes be difficult because many words are not pronounced the same way they are written. The best solution is listening and repetition. Practice difficult words slowly and clearly. For example, comfortable, vegetable, schedule, Wednesday, environment. Repeat them many times until you feel more comfortable saying them. Another important secret is consistency. Studying English for 20 minutes every day is better than studying once a week for 5 hours. Daily practice creates long-term improvement. Sometimes you may feel tired or discouraged, especially when progress feels slow. But never give up. Language learning takes time. Every small effort counts. Keep going, and one day you will surprise yourself with how much you have improved. English can change your life in many ways. It can help you find better job opportunities, travel to different countries, meet new people, study abroad, and access information from all over the world. Learning English is an investment in yourself and your future. So today, I encourage you to believe in yourself. You are capable of learning English. Practice daily, stay motivated, and never stop trying. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn English from them for more easy English lessons. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English every day. See you in the next lesson.